Well, let's listen into the counter that is now coming in from the BJP side, slamming Dinesh Gundu Rao for his remarks and calling Congress party as a factory of lies. Let's listen into the reactions now from the BJP side.
देखो ऐसे अज्ञानता से भरे ज्ञानियों के इस तरह के जो बयान है, इस तरह के जो बोल है, वो इस बात का प्रमाण है, इस बात का प्रतीक है कि अज्ञानता तो उनके दिमाग में भरी ही है, साथ ही साथ उनका मानसिक संतुलन भी बिगड़ गया है। और ऐसे लोगों का जहाँ एक तरफ समाज इलाज करती है, वहीं पर मानसिक स्वास्थ्य केंद्रों में भी ऐसे लोगों के इलाज की व्यवस्था है।
जिन्ना के प्रति प्रेम फिर से कांग्रेस का जाग।
इसीलिए हमने कहा था कि अज्ञानता से भरे ज्ञानी हैं ये लोग, जो हमारे देश के महापुरुष हैं, जिनके प्रति देश श्रद्धा करती है, उनका अपमान, और जिनसे देश के लोग नफरत करते हैं, जिन्होंने जो देश की विभाजन विभीषिका के खलनायक थे, उनका सम्मान।
कांग्रेस झूठ की फैक्ट्री है, और जब कांग्रेस के नेता राहुल गांधी दुनिया भर में जाकर झूठ बोलते हों और भारत को बदनाम करते हों, तो भारत के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को भी अपमानित करने में कांग्रेस पीछे नहीं छोड़ रही। वीर सावरकर का अपमान नहीं सहेगा हिंदुस्तान। अरे जिन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन देश के लिए दे दिया, वो वीर सावरकर जी से कांग्रेस के लोग कुछ सीख तो नहीं सके। इन्होंने केवल सत्ता का सुख भोगा है।
कांग्रेस की सबसे बड़ी समस्या है जब उनके पास सकारात्मक कुछ नहीं होता और जब वो जनता की निगाहों में नंगे होने लगते हैं तो विषय को डाइवर्ट करने का प्रयास करते हैं। महात्मा गांधी की हत्या में सावरकर जी की हिस्सेदारी के कोई सबूत नहीं मिले। जिनके मिले उनको सजा हुई। महात्मा गांधी जी की 30 जनवरी को हत्या हुई। 20 जनवरी को महात्मा गांधी के उसी मंच से सिर्फ 75 फीट दूर एक बम विस्फोट हुआ।
Well, let's get in a word from Imran joining us live right now. Imran, the criticism on part of the Karnataka Mantri's statement, not only coming from the BJP, which is calling the Congress as a factory of lies and warning that the country will not tolerate any disrespect towards Veer Savarkar, but also from his family as well.
Well, yes, these statements were made by Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao while yesterday's Gandhi Jayanti event, and Dinesh Gundu Rao had went on to compare Savarkar and said about how his, even though he was secular in some of his outlook, especially in terms of eating meat, and said that being a Brahmin himself ate beef and propagated meat eating, but he was cultural chauvinist, and he was fundamentalist in many aspects. And then meanwhile, in the same way, similar instance, he compared him to Gandhi and said that Gandhi was religiously Hindu in his outlook, but he had a democratic approach in his way of things. And the opposition, especially the BJP, is when he compared it to Jinnah, saying that Jinnah became a Muslim icon and he ate pork, and he was not a fundamentalist. He was as compared to Savarkar. This is what angered the BJP, and they are saying that they are comparing him to Jinnah, and to level allegations that he ate beef is uncalled for. And Dinesh Gundu Rao should probably read history what BJP social media handles are tweeting and targeting him over this particular issue. Now, his comments to a statement has snowballed into a major controversy now, and especially when it comes to Savarkar, there is a very polarizing views. On one extreme ideological spectrum, consider him as someone a freedom fighter, someone who has contributed to the not just Indian independence, but also he's in a cultural and Hindutva icon. Whereas the other spectrum, where are left-leaning or secularists or people from Congress, who consider him someone who was apologetic to the British, and who was someone who was his thoughts are on dividing lines between communities. So there is a very Savarkar issue comes always there as polarizing views, and one spectrum of it is what expressed by the Congress Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao.
All right, this is how the BJP is hitting back at the Congress party and taking up the question to the top Congress party leadership, and pointing out that was Jinnah above Savarkar for them, and that the Congress party top leadership also now needs to clear out on that angle. And as far as his family also there is concerned, has also raised the issue, raising their objections as far as the statement made by the Karnataka Mantri. Imran, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Back after a short break, lots more lined up on the other side.